Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use a Canva letterhead in Microsoft Word step by step. If you've ever wanted to create a professional-looking letterhead for your documents but weren't sure where to start, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know how to pick, customize, and smoothly integrate your Canva design into Word so your letters, invoices, or proposals look absolutely polished. Let's get right into it. For our first step, head to Canva. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button usually sitting at the top corner. Click it and you'll see a little search bar pop up. Just type in letterhead. This instantly brings up a selection of ready-made letterhead templates. It's a huge time saver compared to designing from scratch, and you know the layouts will look clean and professional. Once the search results load, take a moment to browse through the various letterhead templates. There are tons to choose from, different colors, themes, and styles, so you can find something that really fits your branding or personal taste. When you find a template you like, just click on it. If you're not sure what to pick, don't overthink it. You can always tweak the design later. Now it's time to customize the letterhead. This is where you add your unique touch, update your business name, upload your logo if you have one, and adjust the colors to match your brand. You might also want to add a slogan or a contact line at the bottom. Take your time here, you want the finished letterhead to represent you. If it doesn't look perfect right away, don't worry. Play around with fonts and placements until you're happy. Canva makes it pretty intuitive, like playing with digital building blocks. Once your letterhead looks just the way you want, it's time to get your design out of Canva and into Word. Go up to the Share button in the corner. Sometimes it's just an arrow or says Download, and click it. Choose the file type. I recommend downloading as a PNG or PDF for crispness, but check what works best for you. Hit Download and let Canva do the work. It might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Next, open Google Docs. Now you might be thinking, why Google Docs? Well, inserting the letterhead here and prepping it makes it easier to later move the design into Word, especially if you need it to be in the background or behind your text. So in Google Docs, go to Insert, then Image, and upload the letterhead file you just downloaded. Once your letterhead appears in the document, click on it to select it. Here's a handy tip: right-click the image and choose the Wrap Text option. This lets your letter content float nicely beside or over the letterhead design, almost like placing a sheet with your own logo behind your message. But to make sure the letterhead really sits in the background, just like official stationery, choose the Behind Text option. Don't worry if you have to fiddle a little to get the placement just right. Sometimes it takes a gentle nudge to align things perfectly. Now the finishing touch. Pick a font and font color for your main letter content that works well with the letterhead. Make sure it stands out and is easy to read. It's all about clarity. For example, if your design has dark blues or grays, a lighter colored font will help your text pop. And that's it, you just made your own custom letterhead in Canva and placed it perfectly into your Word document, ready for any professional project. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and like the video, drop any questions in the comments, or share your own letterhead experiences. And of course, subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.